Honey, when it's all blue Saturday, I ain't gonna want no more sad woman. You from the South, no big sad woman. I ain't gonna want no more. No big sad woman. I'm done once.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Hey loves, so welcome back to Bama Girls Cafe. Today we're going to be making homemade raisin oatmeal cookies, okay? So, before I start talking about what we're going to be using in this recipe, I just want to give a big shout out to all the new subbies. And an even bigger shout out to the old subbies who've been here hanging out with me for day one. When you see this video, make sure you like, okay? Like the video. If you have not subscribed, then what are you waiting on? Subscribe. I'll wait. Hit the button. Okay? And don't forget to leave a comment. So today, like I said, we're going to be making homemade raisin oatmeal cookies. So you're going to definitely need some oatmeal, honey. You're going to definitely need some bougie raisins. You're going to need some brown sugar, some white sugar, some vanilla. Butter. We got to get some vanilla, but you're going to need vanilla. You're going to need some eggs. You're going to need some flour. You're going to need some salt, some baking soda, and some baking powder, honey. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get everything all set up. And we're going to get up in here and I'm going to snatch all edges again this week with these raisin oatmeal cookies. Hope you guys enjoy the video. See you back here in a second, honey. Cookie Monsters. Alright, loves. So we're back. So the first thing we're going to start off by doing is we're going to just sit this right here for a second. We're going to take our flour, our baking soda, our baking powder, and our salt. I'm going to get these out of the way. And we're going to just give these a, oops, I lost a little flour. Just a quick little mix, you know, together. And then we're going to set that back here to the side. Y'all, I can't find Piggy. Where she went? Okay, so we got Piggy. We back. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our butter. Make sure you get all that butter. And some sugar. Both brown sugar and white sugar. And we're going to give this a good, oh God, malfunction. A good mixing. And I still forgot the vanilla. Alright. So I'm going to go ahead and cut that off being rude. I'm going to go ahead, mix this up, get it combined really well, get some vanilla, and then, you know, we're going to come back adding our eggs, and we're going to add in our dry ingredients, and then, you know, we're going to wrap this video kind of quick. This is going to go real quick, y'all. So let me go ahead and get this mixed up. We're going to get the vanilla, we're going to add the eggs, and then we're going to, you know, keep it rolling. Smooth rolling, slow rolling. Y'all, it's all blue Saturday, okay? Y'all know, y'all, if y'all from the South, y'all know what all blue Saturday is. You know, that's when they get to playing all the good old music, you know what I'm saying? Slow rolling, when they say slow rolling, stroke it with the motion. Your girl was there for it, okay? I mean, I wasn't there. Let me go. Alright, loves, so we are back. And what I'm going to do now is I've already scraped down the bowl. I'm going to go ahead and put in my 2 eggs and my vanilla. And we're going to give these a good mixing up. Alright, so it doesn't really take much to get that part mixed up. Not at all, honey. Now we're gonna add in that baking soda, the flour, and the baking soda, baking powder, salt, and you know, all the other stuff. I'll have all the ingredients listed down below. Gonna put half in there, and we're gonna just stir this up on slow. So I want to become a victim of the flour. The rest of the flour, and what I'll do is after I get all the flour added in, I will come back and we're gonna add in the oatmeal and the raisins. I'll be back. Alright loves, so we are back and we're gonna go ahead and add in our raisins and our oatmeal. And I know that is a lot of oatmeal, y'all, but it'll be fine. And we're just gonna stir it in by hand. I probably should have got a bigger spoon. Oh, we don't need you no more, honey. We don't need you. But we're gonna just go ahead and stir this in by hand. You know, what am I thinking, y'all? Let me grab a wooden spoon for this part. And this is supposed to make 36 or 38 cookies. And this is pretty much it for the recipe. Once you get the oats and the raisins stirred in, just stir from the bottom. It is a little stiff compared to most cookie doughs, but that is fine. All that brown sugar and that butter, when they start to cook, it's gonna really soften the cookies up. And these are like, if you a die-hard true oatmeal raisin cookie fan, these are not for the faint of heart, honey. So yes, this is going to be absolutely delicious. So it's pretty much stirred in, and you want to make sure when you get to this part that you stir this in by hand, because using the mixer will make the cookies get real tough, and you don't want to do that. So that's why you want to stir this in by hand. All right, so now that I've got this stirred and I got a nice forearm from stirring it, I'm going to go ahead and get the pans together. I'm going to put a couple on the pan. Got the oven set at 350. And then, you know, we're going to put them in the oven and see what happens, how it goes down. You know what I'm saying? How is this going to go down? But let me go ahead and get everything set up for the next part of the video. And I'll see you guys back here and I'll talk. Hey loves, so we're back, and what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and get these cookies ready. So you need about 2 tablespoons to make a decent sized cookie. So I'm using this cookie scoop, and I'm just scooping it off the side, and then we're going to, you know, get it even, and then you want to mash it down a little bit. And this is this cookie scoop makes the perfect size cookie. You just need 2 scoops of it, honey. And y'all, I'm not gonna lie, I already tasted them. And it was so delicious. I don't know why. This is a really good cookie, y'all. I forgot how good homemade oatmeal cookies can be. And you just want to push them down a little bit. And something I've been seeing too, when people make cookies, they sift the flour. Please do not sift or spoon the flour for cookies. Honey, it's not going to work out well for you, okay? I'm just telling you. I don't know where the hell they got that from, but you do not sift a recipe unless it's your own recipe that you created, or unless it tells you to sift it. You just don't go around sifting cookies, honey. Sifting the flour for cookies. And also, when you read a recipe and it has brown sugar, if it says pack, that means you pack the brown sugar into the measuring cup. And please don't use a liquid measuring cup to measure dry ingredients. It will not work out good for you, honey. I just thought I might let y'all know that because I've seen that too. And don't use a dry measuring cup to measure liquids. That will not work out good for you either, honey. Alright, so these cookies bake up a little big. So I like to just spread them out. And on this pan, I could probably get 8 cookies, but I'm just going to do 6 to be on the safe side. So these are what they look like. Remember, 2 small scoops. Push them down. And this is the size they should, you know, come out to. So I'm going to go ahead and pop these in the oven from anywhere to 10 to 11 minutes. Or depending on how hot your oven get, then you may just want to wait until they start to get that golden brown color on the bottom, and you'll see it coming up on the side. That's the sugar caramelized, and that'll let you know that your cookie is done. Now, if you want your cookie to be a little bit hard, leave it in there, give it an extra minute in. But I like a soft, chewy oatmeal cookie, honey, okay? So, yeah, we're going to go ahead and pop this into the oven, and I'll see you guys back here in a second. Alright, loves, so we are back, and the cookies are ready, the first batch. And the way you're going to know they're done is they're going to have that nice golden brown color on the bottom of them. And you need to let them sit in the pan for about 2 minutes when you pull them out the oven so that they can cool down. And I'm going to just use this cookie sheet again. I already have some in the oven. I've already tasted one. I know I shouldn't have, but y'all, they smell so good. Ooh, they smell so good, honey. And just remember that you want to take the cookie scoop and scrape it on the side of the bowl, and you want to do 2 scoops per cookie. And then you want to press it out real good and give it a good shake. Yep, that's right. I'm going to share these cookies, y'all, because we can't eat all of them. You know, Saturday is my cheat day. But I've already had 2 cookies already, so I'm probably going to get 2 more. And then, you know, the hubby will get some. And I'm going to take some over to my neighbors. And hey, loves, so we are back, and the cookies are through baking. I'm about to take the last ones out, so I'm going to go ahead and taste this cookie and wrap up the video. This is my 3rd one. She's being her figures. Y'all, this cookie is so good. It's chewy, it's soft, it's moist. It is everything that you can love and want in a cookie if you are a cookie monster. And I don't make no damn sense at all for this cookie to be this good. This should definitely be against the law. I gotta get these cookies the hell out of my house. I'm gonna hold them up so y'all can see them. Baby, let me tell you. This is a dope cookie, okay? I'm rethinking my whole life. They done snatched all my edges. Honey, you need needs to make this cookie. Yeah, I'm gonna chill out for a second. So y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I love y'all. I'm happy that we are back on schedule. I know you guys gonna love this video. This video is shot on Saturday, but y'all gonna see it on Wednesday. So I hope that you guys have really enjoyed this video. Thank y'all for y'all patience, for all the love, the support, the positive energy that y'all be sending my way. I love y'all so much, and I can't wait to get these videos really rolling like I want to. We're gonna be popping over here, honey. God damn it. I'm trying. So with that being said, y'all, I gotta wrap this video up. I gotta get these cookies and the ones on the stove. I gotta get these cookies at the house. So with that being said, remember to treat people the way you want to be treated. Practice showing kindness, love, grace, and mercy. You never know what the next person is going through. Just because somebody take a little dump on your foot don't mean you need to take one on theirs. I know it's really hard, and I'm actually trying to practice what I preach on that one. But you just got to learn to let God deal with people in his own time. Honey, because he can make them really rethink their life. Because he has made me rethink my life sometimes. But remember, food is love. I'll see y'all on top of diets.